Good morning. We're going to go over some new sounds. I'm going to show you the board right now, and then we're going to go. I'm going to touch it and say it, and then I'll give you a turn to touch and say it. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Next sound. Listen. This is icky. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. Listen. When you are saying this sound, it might tickle on your tongue. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Next sound. Listen. T. Listen again. T. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. T. Next sound. Listen again. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. Listen. K. Again. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Yes. K. Aw. Again. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Aw. We're going to go quick. I'm going to touch it and you're going to say it. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. That was perfect. Now we're going to work on blending. Give Ms. Harrison one moment. Alrighty. When we blend, we are not stopping between the sounds, so that means you got to keep your motor running. Sound it out. Get ready. Let me do it. Listen. If. Your turn. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. If. Next sound. Listen. The. Your turn. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. The. Next word. Get ready. Again. Get ready. What word? Yes. Not. Next word. Listen. Read. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, read. Next word. Listen. That. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. What word? Yes, that. If, the, not. Read, that. That was perfect. So excited that we're reading today. I hope you guys have a great day.